it is me, and welcome. Oh my god. Okay, sorry for that. I had to stop a little bit because my brother keeps screaming and it's annoying. So, I haven't been in this game in like forever. And, yeah. And I haven't been I haven't been posting in forever. So I'm gonna try to do that. But, yeah. So we are here and I'm gonna start posting some Roblox videos soon. I don't know when. I'm gonna try to find a good, non-laggy screen recorder to post them. Because, yeah, I want to do like build mode. What is it called? What is that thing called? I forgot. Like, I can't get it on top of my head. Oh yeah! Now I remember. Build tutorials. Building, like, I want to just do some house tutorials. But I'm hecka poor, so, yeah. I'm also gonna start editing my videos once I figure out how to. And, yeah, because I have no idea how to edit yet, which is sad. But yeah, it's summer break. I'm gonna be posting more often, so, yeah, there you go. And, yeah. Honestly, I have no idea what to say now. Okay, make sure to go and follow me on my TikTok account. It's, I'm just gonna write it on my screen. It is It's EEPotato_O. There is an underscore in the middle of those two O's. And, sorry, I thought that it wasn't recording. I got scared for a second. Honestly, I have no idea what this video is even about. I guess it's just... What? Something just popped up on my screen randomly. Yeah. I'm probably gonna... After I see some videos on, like, how I can record with the, how I can record Roblox videos without it lagging. Yeah. So, yeah. Maybe I might post the Roblox video today if I can find out how you work it and stuff. This is a really short video because I just wanted to say, I'm back and stuff. Just wanted to say that I'm back on YouTube. And, sorry. I keep thinking that my thing isn't recording for some reason. But it is. So, yeah. That's kind of it. I mean, I don't really know what else I should say. So yeah. but you might see a video later on today. Or like, yeah, I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe I might just wait till tomorrow. But yeah. Also, I'm gonna start posting. Sorry, I yawned there. I'm gonna start posting 2 videos in 1 week, and I guess Saturday and Sunday are gonna be the weekends, so you'll see me on the weekends, or maybe you might see me 3 times or more. Yeah, maybe. I don't know yet. Maybe you might see me daily, except for when I can't post right now, like I'm busy. I'm not gonna take a whole entire thousands of month break like I just did. Yeah. But I also might start posting videos of like stuff on my phone, like Gotchaverse and Animal Jam Play Wild. So yeah, there's gonna be some big improvements in this channel. But yeah, honestly, I have no idea if you guys can hear me. But if you can, that would be awesome. Maybe I should just try turning it up. I don't know if you guys can hear me better. Oh my gosh, it's so loud for me now. I don't know if you can hear that, but I can. I don't think so. But, yeah. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video. And you know what? Every single time I start a video, I'm gonna say, hello, my wolf friends. Hello, wolf friends. This is the Wolf Squad. You're in the Wolf Squad right now, if you subscribe. Yeah. And then at the end, we say bye, my Wolf Squad. I like that. So thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, because I am the worst. Because I only have 12 subscribers. But maybe if we get up to 50 subscribers, I might do a huge giveaway. So, yeah. But, as I was saying, thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And turn on that notification bell, because to get... I can't talk today, I'm sorry. To get notified every single time when I post a video. So, yeah. And I will see you guys later today, maybe. Goodbye, Wolf Squad.